In this video, we are going to talk about how to create a cash cow video in 2022. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Keeping up with the newest video marketing trends may be difficult. Formats, apps, devices, platforms, and functionalities have all advanced dramatically since merely a year or two ago. It often feels like the one constant in marketing is that having video as part of your strategy to grow your audience is critical for every marketer. Year after year, the number of people watching video on their phones, laptops, and tablets grow. Online video consumption is fast expanding, says Jonathan Barnard, Zenith's head of forecasting, and the typical individual will spend half as much time viewing online video as they do watch traditional television this year. He might very well be correct. And if he is, you'll need to take a close look at your video strategy and consider giving it a thorough overhaul to guarantee you're attracting the largest potential audience. It's probable that you could need a refresh on your video strategy for the coming year. Regardless of where you've been publishing your films, keep in mind that your audience's tastes and appetites change all the time, and the algorithms that govern how your material is delivered are continuously evolving as well. It's a difficult line to tread between staying faithful to your brand and your target audience while also adapting to changes using some of the new methods and techniques available. In 2021, this video will show you how to fully rethink your video approach. Commit to a content strategy. Take a step back and plan things out before you start making fresh movies and publishing them everywhere. You know the demand exists. Now is the time to commit to a strategy to make the most of the year ahead. Consider what video trends were popular this year and how you might meet the challenge the next year. The good news is that with a little planning, you can anticipate some of the most likely future trends. Consider what video trends were popular this year and how you might meet the challenge the next year. If you're a veterinarian looking to boost your internet profile, you might be interested to learn that the National Hug Your Cat Day hashtag National Hug Your Cat Day has had over 5,000 views on TikTok. Every year in early June, this holiday returns. With a little forethought, you can create a humorous video that has a lot better chance of going viral than something made on the spur of the moment after the trend has gone. Focusing on noteworthy events and prospective trends, that you can produce films around trends that are relevant to your sector and that performed successfully this year provides you the best opportunity of producing high-quality, timely, and relevant content. This doesn't have to be a day-by-day schedule. Simply creating a rough calendar with some ideas and deadlines can help you stay current and happy with your following. Later is a useful and free program to employ in this situation. This software will let you to plan material for live broadcast on Instagram, for example, and will show you how your grid will look. Later also informs you when it's time to publish, so you can write descriptions ahead of time and submit photographs in a matter of seconds. Increase the level of professionalism in your productions. A successful video approach establishes you as an expert. Because the market is so flooded with material, it's critical to make sure you stand out. While low-quality content might become viral if it's humorous or relevant, it's a lot simpler if your films seem professional. You might want to think about making a few investments. If you plan on conducting a lot of FaceTime in your videos, investing in a ring light or a new camera can give you the edge you need to make your video material stand out. You should also devote some time to learning about the finest tools, programs, and strategies for taking your movies to the next level. Videoleap, for example, is a terrific example of an app that's straightforward, easy to use on a mobile device, and flexible enough to enable you to do some slick things with your videos, regardless of the subject. Adding subtitles to videos has been a common technique on TikTok, for example, because many users watch without sound. The captioning tool on TikTok is a little cumbersome to use, but Videoleap makes it simple to add captions that aesthetically match the video. New video types might help you reconnect with your audience. One of the most exciting trends in video marketing is that viewers have expressed a want for more personal, real, behind-the-scenes footage rather than polished commercial material. and video technologies have stepped up to help you deliver it. Viewers like live streaming, process videos, and user-generated material. For example, according to Stackla, 79% of individuals think user-generated material has a significant influence on their purchase decisions, which we might read as meaning they trust it more than brand-owned content. Are there any behind-the-scenes action photos you could post if you don't want to live broadcast or publish user-generated content? The idea is to become more and more approachable to your target demographic. They want to see more behind the scenes, and while moving away from the polished and beautiful might be daunting, they want to get that fresh, authentic feeling. Demand is growing despite changing tastes. More videos will be desired by the audience in 2021. They want to watch films that are well planned, amusing, interesting, instructive, and timely, and that appear professional, but not excessively polished. High quality, authentic video is now in high demand, and if you're not creating it, you risk missing out on a significant amount of potential traffic and viewers. You can redesign your video strategy in time for video content's largest year yet by drafting and keeping to a basic plan, investing in some tools to make your videos seem professional, and maintaining a true relationship with your audience. Have you ever considered how to make a YouTube video go viral? It may come down to choosing a trendy issue. Consider trending to be current. Consider a trending video as a subject that is important to a large number of people, rather than a video that everyone is watching. You want to talk about things that a lot of people are interested in. Many YouTubers notice large channels having a lot of success producing videos that are particularly focused on the creator's personal life, i.e. I had the worst day, or have very ambiguous or dramatic titles, i.e. The horse knows what it did, and decide that they want to do the same. Massive channels, on the other hand, are only able to succeed with this kind of movies and titles because they are already large. These creators have already amassed sizable followings of individuals who know and care about them personally. You won't be successful as a smaller artist if all you do is make videos about yourself and your life. If you have 100 subscribers and produce a vlog on how your day went, for example, you have 100 individuals who could find it fascinating. Although the information is interesting, it will not help you advance. Look for hot topics in your niche. Taking on popular subjects shouldn't imply taking on topics you don't care about or aren't interested in. Every YouTube genre has its own set of trends, which you can learn about just by viewing other channels in your genre and conversing with individuals who share your interests. If you're a gamer and your friends are also gamers, for example, you're probably already aware of what gamers are interested in right now. Aim for the top spot. Being fashionable does not exclude you from being unique. When you know what's hot in your genre, you might ask yourself, what's on trend but not being covered yet? If you know that relationship films such as How Do You Know a Guy Likes You are popular, you might consider what other areas of dating people would be interested in, but don't presently have many videos. You have a far better chance of earning that #1 search engine ranking if you're one of the first to tackle something that's on trend. And higher-ranked films always receive more views. The subscriber snowball effect. When you produce many films about a popular topic, they're more likely to get grouped together as related than if you simply make one video. If someone likes one of your videos on the subject and sees that there's another right there in the related videos, they're likely to click on it. This increases the number of views on numerous videos and increases the number of subscribers, since it establishes the expectation that you will continue to cover important themes. Clicking from video to video on your channel increases viewing time, which YouTube's algorithm interprets as an indication that your videos should be ranked higher in search results, getting you even more views. Do you have any YouTube channels? How many subscribers do you have? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.